The girl who wore two different shoes is all about empowering children to celebrate our differences instead of trying to fit in.
The world tries to divide us on how we're different. I believe in a world where we celebrate our differences.
The girl who wore two different shoes teaches readers how to create situations so that you attract people to come and say hi to you. You can actually pay to have your pet or someone you love featured in the actual illustration. There's also an option to have your name listed. There's also an option to sponsor a talk. Sponsoring me to go into a school is really changing the culture for the students and the faculty at the school.
So sometimes people judge us by the color of our skin and they call us something. Or sometimes they judge us because of our religion, or we speak a different language, or we have a different hairstyle than them.
My whole life, I've always been different, and even though sometimes people might want to make me feel bad for being different, I am proud to rock two different shoes.
Has anybody here ever lost somebody that they love? I got bullied for being Jewish.
Some of us might experience bullying for our skin, or where our parents are from, or what we believe.
Through owning my personality and through owning my individuality, I've been able to create lifetime bonds and experiences. Celebrate standing out instead of trying to fit in.